All right, so today we're gonna get some fluids for Leonard, get some gas, and get a new battery and see if we can get her going. Got on my NC State beanie today because it's cold here in the desert this morning. Let's get after it. So we got Leonard's battery here. That was a little loose. Might help me to get to it. A little rusted up, but we'll get it off. This one's so loose. There it goes. She's pretty beat up. Well, I guess that was easy enough. Battery's probably not the right size, but they've seen better days. Nap time.
4 hours later.
All right. Got some gas for her. Got a battery. Put them in. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get new ones. These things are just blown out. Can't tighten them up no more. Just need me some new ones. But battery's in, and let's put some fuel in it.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Because California makes us have those weird spouts, went ahead and just got me a nice big old long funnel Tractor Supply. So before I put any more in, I wanted to see if anything was leaking. And so far so good. I don't see any leaks. All right, got 2 gallons in. Still no leaks. Try and start her up. Well, at least I have power now. Well, the antenna's trying to move. Still ain't gonna do anything, so. All right, let's try some starter fluid. Don't do too much. Let's see what she does now. Come on, Leonard. She almost took off. Let's try it again. Almost. And try it again. Well, try one more time with the starter fluid. All right, well, I guess I got to do a compression check, maybe change out plugs. Don't know. Got to figure this one out. Oh, couldn't get her to start. Let's do some clean out. Eek. Look at the bottom side of this spare. Yep, I think she's done. Looks pretty good. That's much better than it was. One positive note on the day.
Disorder! Disorder!